Hot, hot, step back, please. What's that cool beat, Dad? The kitchen is our dance floor.
Feel the music, clap, clap, clap. Woof, woof, watch my moves. Play with the long ribbon.
Down, down goes the bread.
I'm the bread, down I go. Pop, pop goes the toast. Up, up, up we go.
Hop like a toaster.
Toast is ready now. Crunch, crunch, yummy toast. Dancing in the kitchen. Gotta get the crumb. It's so peaceful here.
Listen for the next sound. Whoa. Ow. Oh.
Ready to spin around? Let's twirl.
Twirl, twirl, like the machine.
Round and round we go. Twirl, 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 like a blender.
Swing to and fro. Swing to and fro.
Too many circles. Oops, dizzy. Whoa, whoa, dizzy now. Balance, balance, don't fall down.
Making a smoothie, yummy and pink. The bestest smoothie, don't you think? Blender stops, smoothie's done.
Yummy fruit smoothie. Slurp, slurp, slurp it all up. Look at my funny mustache. Boba cleans the mess.
High five, dance with Dad. Dad.
Teamwork makes the dance better. What's that kitchen toy?
Wait for the magic pop.
Tick tock, tick tock. There's the first pop. Pop, pop, fast and loud.
Jump, jump, microwave dance. Dance.
popcorn is ready.
Hot, hot, step back, please.
Sharing popcorn with my sister. Fluffy white clouds of snack. Woof, woof, please and thank you. What does popcorn smell like?
Popcorn for my happy boy.
Kitchen dance is the best. Rest.
Dancing with my love.
Mom and Dad are dancing too.
Time for the silly dance.
Cluck, cluck, go the chickens.
What are they doing now?
Play with my funny paws.
Reach up to the ceiling.
I'm a giant in the kitchen.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle all out.
Wiggle like a noodle. Wow! Wiggle, wiggle, kitchen fun. Fun.
Time for freeze dance.
Dance, dance, dance. Move your body fast.
Listen with your ears.
Still like a statue. Why did you stop? Still as a mouse.
Dance.
Fast feet are moving.
Don't move. Don't fall down, down.
Too many stops and starts.
Thank you for the fun dance.
Our kitchen is the best place to move.
Tired and happy now.
Time for a nap. I love our kitchen dance days. Wash the dishes clean and neat.
Everything in its place. Sweep the crumbs, sweep, sweep, sweep. I will get the last crumbs.
Clean kitchen ready for tomorrow.
Best dad dance partner. Shh, sleepy time now. Hop, twirl, pop, pop, pop.
Dancing keeps us healthy and happy.
Kitchen dance with Dad is the best.
See you soon. Bye bye, cozy kitchen.
What a wonderfully fun day!
We will dance again tomorrow. Happy! So much fun! Night night, everyone.
All is calm and happy.
The kitchen dance is the best way to move.